Hello guys. So finally, the date of CMAT 2022 exams is out. They are going to conduct the exam on 9th of April 2022, which is a very good news for you all. So now, today is 11th of March. Even if you start your preparation right from today, you have around 25 to 26 days to prepare for CMAT, which is more than enough if you have prepared for CAT or any other MBA entrance exams in recent past. For you all, we are also going to start workshops starting from Monday. So we will be conducting around 25 to 30 hours of workshops, live workshops on YouTube, in which we will be covering all the important topics with concepts and few practice questions. For extra practice questions, as I have told you, the link for our Telegram channel is provided in the description box. You can always join the Telegram channel for the extra free practice questions. Now, if we are talking about crash course, we will be providing the CMAT crash course at rupees 5,000. And if you also want to continue for MBA CET, we are providing the same crash course for rupees 8,000 in online as well as offline. Fees for offline mode will be different, which is conducted in Pune, and online mode is conducted across India. So for CMAT, we will be covering the syllabus, intensive crash course of 60 hours. We will also provide you the study material in hard copy format, which will have more than 5,000 questions for practice, more than 15 CMAT mock tests, including sectional tests, and regular doubt solving sessions and one-on-one mock analysis, which is the USP. Okay, so regarding the study plan, 25-day study plan, which topic you should pick first, I'll be making a separate video by evening. So stay tuned to our channel to go through the CMAT workshops. CMAT workshop जैसे मैंने बताया, लाइव सेशंस हम लोग कंडक्ट करेंगे. इनोवेशन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की वीडियोस तो ऑलरेडी हम लोग यूट्यूब पे डाल ही रहे हैं. सो दैट इज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ CMAT वर्कशॉप. जनरल नॉलेज की वीडियो जो हम लोग वीकली बेसिस पे डालते हैं, दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ वर्कशॉप्स. नाउ द टॉपिक्स और द सब्जेक्ट्स व्हिच रिमेन, which are not yet uploaded by us on the YouTube channel, are quantitative ability, VARC and LRDI. तो हम लोग अभी पर्टिकुलरली ये तीन सब्जेक्ट्स के सेपरेट वीडियोस बना के यूट्यूब पे डालने वाले हैं. कुछ वीडियो सेशंस उसमें से लाइव भी रहेंगे, जहां पे आप लोग आके डाउट क्लियर करवा सकते हो अपने. ओके, सो फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टे ट्यून्ड गाइस. इफ यू नीड मॉक टेस्ट एज वेल, यू कैन डेफिनेटली गेट इन टच विद अस. सो best of luck for CMAT exam guys. Buck up. Last 25 days, last 4 weeks are definitely going to change your future. Best of luck guys.